Hi students, in this video we are going to see Supplementary Reader 2 Life of Pi written by Jan Martel. Before starting the story, let me warm you up. Imagine you are going on a trek or an adventure. It requires grit and a strong will to survive the odds and emerge unscathed. Isn't it? What is grit? Courage. What is unscathed? Unhurt or unharmed or uninjured. So, we need or we require strong will and grit to survive the odds and emerge the situation. Let us see about the author. Jan Martel was born in Spain to French-Canadian parents. Martel's father worked as a diplomat and the family moved to Costa Rica, France, Mexico and Canada during Martel's childhood. Who is a diplomat, A person who is able to control a difficult situation without upsetting anyone. He grew up speaking both French and English. Martel studied philosophy at Trent University in Ontario and later spent a year in India visiting religious sisters and zoos. His first 3 books received little critical or popular attention, but with the publication of Life of Pi in 2001, Martel became internationally famous and he was awarded the Man Booker Prize in 2002. This is an abridged version of the famous Canadian fantasy adventure novel titled Life of Pi by Jan Martel, published in 2001. What is abridged, To make a written text shorter. Jan Martel எழுதின அந்த நாவலை ஷார்ட் பண்ணி ஒரு ஃபேண்டசி அட்வென்ச்சராக நமக்கு இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. வாட் இஸ் ஃபேண்டசி? A pleasant but unlikely situation that you enjoy thinking. The protagonist is Pisin Molitor Pai Patel, an Indian boy from Pondicherry. He survives 227 days after a shipwreck while stranded on a lifeboat in the Pacific Ocean with a Bengal tiger named Richard Parker. அதாவது, what is shipwreck? An accident in which a ship is destroyed or sunk at sea. Okay, especially by hitting rocks or a ship that has been destroyed or sunk in such an accident. What is stranded? Lacking what is necessary to leave a place or to get out of a situation. அதாவது அந்த ஷிப் ஒரு ஆக்சிடெண்ட்டுக்கு ஆளாகுது. அந்த நேரத்தில் எப்படி தப்பிக்கிறதுன்னு தெரியல. ஒரே ஒரு லைஃப் போட்டு கிடைச்சது. அதை வச்சு அவன் தப்பிக்கிறான். தப்பிச்சு 227 நாள் ஒரு பெங்கால் டைகரோடவே சர்வை பண்ணுறான். எப்படி சர்வை பண்ணுறான் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் இந்த ஸ்டோரி. லெட் us see the story now. The beginning of the novel covers Pai's childhood and youth. His family owns and runs a zoo in their hometown in India, and his father is determined about being aware of the wildness and true nature of animals, namely that they are not meant to be treated like or thought of as people. Early in Pai's life, his father realizes that his son's innocence about the tiger in their care may put Pai in danger. To illustrate how true and real the threat is, he forces the children to watch the tiger kill and eat a goat. Pai goes through a significant religious awakening in his formative years, finally subscribing to a variety of religions, Hinduism, Catholicism and finally Islam. Although the religious leaders don't accept Pai's plural religions, his family gradually follows, and he remains a devout follower of all his religious paths for his entire life. When Pai is a teenager, his family decides to sell the animals and immigrate to Canada on a cargo ship named Simpson. A terrible storm occurs during the voyage, and when Pai, excited to see the storm, goes out the ship's deck, He is tossed overboard and into a lifeboat by the crew. The next morning, he finds himself in the company of a badly injured zebra, a vicious hyena, vicious means deliberately cruel or violent, and a matronly orangutan named Orange Juice. Matronly means matured. Hiding out of sight beneath the canvas of the lifeboat is the tiger Richard Parker. The hyena wounds and eats the zebra, then goes after Orange Juice. The orangutan puts up a good fight, but the hyena ultimately kills her. Richard Parker finally makes himself known by killing and eating the hyena. Now only Pi and Richard Parker survive on the lifeboat. How Pi and Richard Parker survive in Pacific Ocean makes up the rest of the novel. Pi realizes he must survive the elements while adrift. Adrift means நிலை தடுமாறி இருக்கிறது in the lifeboat, and that Richard Parker will almost certainly eat him. He quickly sees that thirst will kill him sooner than hunger or the tiger. So he sets about finding a way to get water. He discovers provisions stored in the lifeboat, including biscuits, water purifiers, a whistle, and a handbook for surviving at sea. With the tools of survival in hand, Pi builds a second watercraft, a raft made of oars and life jackets, and attaches it to the boat. With the second watercraft, he can remain out of both the shark-infested waters, that is, large number of sharks present in water, and Richard Parker's immediate reach. He considers a variety of survival options and concludes that he must tame the tiger. Although he is unable to fully train and domesticate Richard Parker, by blowing a whistle and rocking the lifeboat enough to make the tiger seasick, Pi is able to control him and secure his own area on the lifeboat.